the sand by the sea and the wind in the trees. If only we could be so free, just you and just me. It's the way that the world should, the way that the world should, the way that the world should.
Good evening. Today has been a day of work and I've just been filming stuff for YouTube, like a beauty video. I worked really slowly and at an extremely relaxed pace, so I didn't get that much done, but I'm not super stressed either. Now I thought we should just go to the beach because the sun is getting lower in the sky, so it's going to be the perfect time. Going to the beach. We're shoe twins now. Both of us are wearing natives Apollo mocks.
Head undeterred, we're not scared to be hurt.
Sweet doggy. He crossed the road to come to us. Yeah, you just said hi to him. That's all you had to do. Why you all wet? Why are you wet? Going to some water. Not going.
I'm having my cup of tea that was given to us by Sonia.
So Mom and I were just walking, going towards the beach when somebody called out to us from across the road. Turns out it's Sonia. She just watched my previous Goa vlogs, like my ancestral Goa one. She just saw it yesterday apparently, and she saw me on the road. I'm so glad she called out, and now we're chilling with her family. She gave us tea and biscuits, and this is Sonia and her whole family, her mummy, and so nice to meet you guys. Yeah, thank you for having us at your home.
Until we're both
Every time I'm not at the beach, I'm just like, okay, it's just the beach. It's nothing special. And then when I actually make my way to the beach, I'm like, okay, wow, this is really special. This is really nice. Came at a good time. We got the sun up, but now it has disappeared behind the horizon. But there's still some light. It will start getting dark soon. So we're just sitting and chilling here. Mummy's also here. Hi, hi, Mummy. Hi. We took some photos. Now we're just soaking it all in. had the most fantastic day today. It started out with some amount of work, of course, but then we went to the beach. Soon after we got back, I got a notification on my phone. Turns out I had made all of my move and activity goals for today, and I don't even do that when I'm at home. I'm like super lazy. But to manage to move that much and smash your goals, which are pretty ambitious, I think, on vacation, I'm gonna take that as an achievement. So it's been really nice. Feet are aching right now, but so much satisfaction. So I'm going to take you guys through today's dinner, and you'll recognize some of these things if you watched the previous vlog in this series now. These were the chapatis made by our friend Margaret. They are made of bajra and some like greens and a lot of miscellaneous healthy stuff. When we went to Margao market, we picked up two things among others, pork meat and some kokum fruit. So both of them were used to make this pork curry, which is known as solantule. It's a savory and tangy curry. This is something that we just picked up on the way back from the beach at a stall at the side of the road. In Goa, these are known as gado, which literally sort of means cart, I guess. And this was run by local people, and this is a popular local street food. It's known as Ross omelette or Rasa omelette. Loosely translated, that means juice omelette, and it's actually a chicken based curry with a little bit of coconut in it, and then you immerse the omelette in it. On the road they have it with pav, but we're having it with like chapati. This all looks really good, and of course I'm having a glass of shandy. I'm looking forward to a really relaxed lazy day tomorrow. Cheers. We were in pajamas all day. We had too much of chai and just laid around on the sofa and on the bed and did nothing much. I hope to be able to read some, but I couldn't concentrate with reading. Like, I'm trying my best to get back into it, but I think I just got 14 or 15 pages in. I need to try it a little bit more sincerely and stop getting so distracted. Now that the sun's set, we are heading out to the store just to pick up some few food related items. I was laughing to myself thinking about how we would never make so many trips to the store at home like every day, but then also we don't get out of the house as much at home, like not on a daily basis. So it's nice to be able to just do these evening walks. I've become so obsessed with these teeny tiny little Amul ice creams on this trip. So today I think we pretty much shopped for groceries like a teenager hosting a house party. We just got beer, soft drinks and chips. I mean, we did get some like cooking items also, but this was the majority of today's haul and I'm not upset about it. I got some new nachos today. I'm seeing these for the first time. Oopsie. They are supposed to be spicy pepper flavored. Good stuff though. So we are having some pork solantule and ras omelette, which is pretty much the same as yesterday's dinner. But today mom was like, let's have some vegetable for dinner as well, because we've been eating like lot of meat and a little bit of fish and very little vegetables since we came here. I promise we do have a more balanced diet at home, but we indulge a little bit in Goa because like the availability of meat and everything is a whole lot better. So we had picked up some sweet potato when we visited Marga. I thought that I would like deep fry the sweet potato, make that really popular bar snack. But deep frying is not the healthiest thing. So I said, let me make like a sabji of it instead. And I followed a recipe online. We didn't have a lot of the spices, so I wasn't sure exactly how it would turn out. But it's really, really delicious. I really like how it's turned out. I'm feeling very proud of myself today. Like mom has been feeding us this entire trip. Very little bit of the food has been outside food. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Thank you, mama.
Welcome.
But I am feeling like so good that I sort of made one dish today. And I like it. I hope my parents like it as well. We're having it with famous Goan pori, which is a type of bread. It's something like a pita pocket, you know. But it's a fluffier than pita, which is flat. And I've talked about this before, but nowadays the pori that you get, it's not super authentic, but it's easier to eat. Original pori was really tough. And with that, I'm gonna say good night to you guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I will see you all in my next vlog. Bye.